Welcome to Art by Edna. I'm Edna, and today let's draw a tree. All the materials that I'm using are listed in the description box below. Here I'm using a 6B drawing pencil to draw the branches and the tree trunk. And if you're a beginner, my tip for you to make branches is to keep the lines very close together, some parallel to each other, and kind of shake your hand a little bit to get some character into those branches. You don't want to make them straight because trees are organic. You cannot make a mistake. Here I'm picking up some yellows and greens from my watercolor palette that's off camera. Just dabbing. Now I'm using my thin watercolor brush to get more details, smaller leaf-like visuals. I'm working very loosely. You can get more details if you like. For now, I just wanted to play around with color and shape. I then go in with my thin watercolor brush and some burnt umber mixed with a bit of black for the tree trunk and branches. And just have fun with it. Enjoy the process. Notice how I'm allowing the brush to do all the work. The very, very tip of the brush creates those fine branches, barely touching the paper. After a few minutes, my layers are beginning to dry, so I go back in and just blot in some more green, creating more layers. Just for some more dimension. Still working loosely, not a lot of detail, just enjoying the colors and the shape of the trees, of the energy that the tree has, because trees are alive. I love trees. A little light blue for the sky, and it's just a suggestion. Just suggest the color. There are no rules to painting, basically. I mean, experiment. Express yourself in however way you want. I wonder if my grammar is correct. I apologize if my grammar is not correct. After my painting has dried, I like to add some definition with my fine point black marker, and that's just the illustrator side of me. Very light hand. I'm barely touching the paper, just getting a little bit of definition. And take this time to please like, subscribe, and share. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.